Hey everybody, welcome to the Minute Academy. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you really like this channel, you can check out our digital products down below. The more money we get from the products that you buy below, the more content we can make. All right, let's get to the video. Software is a collection of instructions that are run by a computer to perform a task. Tasks can vary in complexity from simple calculation to machine learning tasks. The main goal of software is to increase the efficiency of a task, such as finding the weather or plotting a route to drive to. Software is the intermediary between the user and the hardware. The main software component that users interact with is the operating system, which allows the user to run various applications for different purposes. Software can be low-level or high-level. Low-level software is closer to machine language, which means that software directly manipulates the hardware. Developing low-level software can be time-consuming, difficult, and error-prone. High-level software has various libraries and frameworks to make coding easier. However, the size of the application and the complexity of the architecture is much bigger. Over the years, coding languages have become more high-level, and most coders fail to understand the low-level processes. Software is very good at making tasks easier, and as time goes on, more tasks become easier as a result. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you really like this video, please like it and share it. It would mean the world to me if this video only got 1,000 likes. Remember that this channel doesn't do a Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital products down below. The more money we get from the products that you buy below, the more content we can make. If you really like this channel, you can subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. We have everything from web development to machine learning to game development and many more tutorials. Our goal is to get to 10,000 paid subscribers. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in another video.